So wanted to bring you a quick update regarding FireSend, the latest version. While filming this video is version 5.1, and it's very important that you stay on the latest version because that brings the fixes and the updates. When I get messages from people saying such and such isn't working, such and such is struggling to do this, that's because they haven't updated to the latest version with the fixes in. So for FireSend, for those who don't know, FireSend built in is a room. So you can have a browser, a web browser to browse the internet on your streaming device, and you can access rooms and upload files from your rooms onto other devices, vice versa. So I'm going to run through what's new with version 5.1. I'm going to tell you all to update now because going forward, over the next few days, older versions will stop working unless you update. Because I need to knock them off because the way the code changes, things stop working. So to get the latest version, Firestick, search FireSend, and I'm going to show you something when we get there as well. So search FireSend, you search FireSend and you'll get to here. Sometimes it won't say there's an update, it would just open straight up. So if you push the button with the 3 lines on it, you'll see it say more info. Click that, and if there's available update, it will be here, okay? So get it installed if you're brand new here, or click it and update it. So open the app, and what I've done, for people who aren't logged in, I've simplified it, okay? I was going to bring a simple mode, but instead I have simplified it, and I'm going to simplify this dashboard down as well over the next few days. But now all you see and all you need to go to on the latest version, so you have browser, which is good, where you can just search the internet. So you can type any search term or web address you know if you want to go and find something on the internet or even watch a website. Or you can enter a downloader code. The same code you would enter into downloader, you can enter into here, and it will do the same thing. But the good news is you've got your other parts all in one app. So if you're using downloader, you can use them here as well if you want to, or continue using downloader. Great app. We've got quick access underneath. Here you can put websites in that. It's going to be editable soon. Or you can enter a room. You can enter a room code to enter a room to grab apps. I'll show you in a second. Or you can use a 24-hour room to upload apps off your device. That's the only things on the standard version now. There is some guides, privacy, things like that, but that's the main things you can use your device for. So for example, a room code, I'll enter mine, DOC. And here you'll see all the apps which are in a room code. You can create your own rooms, everything like that. And then you can scroll down, scroll up, and you can click and download whatever you want or open whatever you want. No problem at all, okay? Works perfectly well, no issues. Click something to download if you want to. You just click it, it will download for you, and it's that simple, and you can install it, okay? Let's cancel that. We can delete the download because we don't need it. That's how easy it is. If you decided you want some room codes on the website, let me just see here, not that one. Let's go to this one. This is the main website, firesend.download. If you're looking for room codes, you can go to browse suggested rooms, and there's a few in here that you can use, and you just type them in onto your streaming device if you want a room code. If you want, you can just search the internet. If you log in, you have all the rest of your perks back. So if you haven't got an account, you can click create new account. There's been a bit of an issue with that, but I fixed that today. Or you can log in. I will just quickly log in with mine. And then once you are logged in, there is a few other bits in here. So this is for more of the advanced users. You can save favorite rooms if you want some favorites in there. You can access your giveaways in here. There's giveaways you can enter on the website. There's new ones coming soon. You've got your daily wheel for points. This is the advanced layout, okay? So this is all for the advanced layout. There is that app scanner is going to link you somewhere soon. So it's all here. That's the advanced one, okay? But then obviously the simple guide is how it looks normally, which is brilliant. So if you need that, to the App Store, get it installed, stay updated. Remember, like I say, older versions are going to stop working very, very soon. So make sure you've got it updated.